Kevin Carey, a little update here on the Canadian dollar. And in fact, all the currencies, except for the Canadian dollar, I've been using weekly charts. So I noticed this morning at the daily chart, it was not active for the 20th today. And then I realized, I don't know why they even have it, but there's still a pit trading, floor trading Canadian dollar within the CQG system, which is absolutely ridiculous unless the currencies are actively traded in the pit in Chicago. That would be news to me. But that shouldn't come as a surprise if I'm completely out of touch with that information. Anyway, I've had to revise the Canadian dollar, and this is purely electronic Globex, which is the way it should be. This is an active continuation chart, so it takes into account previous contracts, which is the way it should be. And so I can't remember exactly what numbers I gave you yesterday for the Canadian dollar, but we did test this resistance area yesterday, and today it's at 75.52 to 61. Uh, these channel structures are in the way a little bit, but right today, 75.05 is our downward pivot now. And in fact, yesterday's low was 75.10, so that kind of corresponds that if we close below the low of the high and this channel bottom, this market should continue south. So if we either A, test this resistance, or B, close below this support, the market, this is the short sale opportunity that we've been talking about. And inversely, if we close above this 75.61 area, let me pull this back to see where this is at. This will be in the 77 handle for sure. 7,700 essentially. And there's something else up there I forgot. I don't want to bore you with this. Anyway, just the bottom line. I can't remember exactly what numbers I gave you in the Canadian, but these are revised and these are more accurate. And as far as the other currencies go, the daily charts need to be revised as well. And that's all I'm going to say for this particular recording.